Snapchat. Surprisingly, some people use it. What's even more surprising is it's ruining people's relationships. And no, I don't mean that people are sending unwanted nudes, but that's certainly ruined a bunch of relationships in the past. What's up, Inform Overload? I'm your pizza prince, Michael Mello. I'm here to tell you the news and make it entertaining, and I'ma look damn good while telling you it. If you like what you see, head on over to Instagram and give @InformOverload a follow, because we're running an Instagram contest right now until May 19th, where you can win a cash prize. And I hope you buy all the pizzas in the entire world if you win this cash prize. Recently, Snapchat revealed a new filter in which it can transform your face into looking more masculine or feminine. For example, this is how I would look more feminine, and this is how I would look more masculine. Well, 21-year-old Sasha decided to use this filter to make her look like a different woman. For fun, she sent the snap to her girlfriend Leona, which she captioned, "In your girlfriend's bed." The two have been dating for over a year now, and Sasha thought Leona would laugh and noticed she was just using a filter and pretending to be a different woman. Now, I've watched enough YouTuber pranks girlfriend videos to know this never ends well. Well, it turns out Leona didn't notice it was a face filter and decided to text Sasha to let her know she wasn't having any of it. The two texted, with Leona saying, "I ain't coming over tomorrow. Enjoy your night with that girl in your bed." Jokingly, Sasha responded with, "What girl? I'm by myself." Clearly not getting the joke, Leona ended the convo with, "Don't speak to me ever again." Drama. The tea is so good, and just like real tea, this tea is doing wonders for my skin. Anyways, obviously realizing the joke went too far, Sasha tried FaceTiming her girlfriend, but she kept declining the call, to which Sasha noticed Leona had blocked her number. So don't worry, this story does have a happy ending, as eventually Leona came to her senses and realized. Sasha admitted that she thought she'd know it was a filter because she didn't think she looked that different with the filter on. But listen, Sasha and Leona aren't the only couple whose relationship has been taking a rocky hit with this new Snapchat filter. A man named Ryan tricked his girlfriend by transforming into a woman using this face filter and messaged her with, "Wearing your boyfriend's shirt," to which his girlfriend completely lost it. Eventually, she also came around to realizing the truth, but she still had to let him know, "I don't even want to see you right now. I will end up punching you right in the face. Why would you do that?" In short, if you don't want to get blocked by your partner or punched in the face by them, then it's best to probably avoid this filter altogether. But if you're single just like me, then have a ball and send all the face swapping Snapchats your lonely heart desires. On that note, let's jump into some comment features from my last video. Girl with crippling sleep paralysis reveals the scariest thing she ever saw. Fernando Diaz said, "Inform Overload. We're not getting any money from YouTube." Also IO, "We're giving away free money." So, just to clarify, in Charlotte's last video, she was talking about our sister channel, Life's Biggest Questions. We're all a part of Landon Production, which runs a bunch of different YouTube channels, which is why you'll see Charlotte on LBQ, and Johnny will host Top 10 Nerd and Gaming, and sometimes you'll see me on Top 10 Beyond the Screen. We all work together. But her video was actually in regards to helping the channel Life's Biggest Questions and has nothing to do with IO, so our contest is all good. While she eventing said, "Petition to get Charlotte back." So she's never left, and I'm pretty sure she's mentioned this before. She's just a very busy girl, and she has a bunch of stories to cover. She runs this channel, so us extra hosts are just here to help lighten her load. So maybe change the petition to help make Charlotte's life easier and allow the new host to help her do that, because I think that has a better ring. Minty Moz Gotcha said, "You're such a good and funny host. Never thought news would be this entertaining." Why, thank you. It's so nice to know someone enjoys my presence here on the channel. Thank you very much. A user whose name I can't pronounce and won't bother trying to said, "This voice, .. To which another user responded with, "Is so gay, bad, IDK, it's How do you think I feel? I'm the one who has to listen to it every day. And if you don't like it that much, we do have closed captioning, so try that out next time. And last but not least, we have Honeybee Lemon, who said, "Wow, your voice is so cool." Hey, tell that to the last guy, but thank you so much for your comment. Turn up the volume so you can hear this voice all the time. And Honeybee, I hope you have an amazing day. Well, that's the end of this video. Hit that playlist to see more of me and all the other hosts doing our thing here at Inform Overload. And while you're at it, hit the sub button, turn on your notifications so you never miss another IO video. As always, I'm Michael Mello. See you next time.